All right, so this should be my third entry for my log on my progress. Yeah, let me just. Okay, the lighting was pretty bad, so I guess no one could see my screen anyway. So, lighting is still bad, but better. This is my third entry. I found a few classes on Khan Academy for math specifically, because it turns out if you want to go into computer science, you gotta be good at math. I mean, I don't really like math. I mean, I know that I'm pretty bad at it. My fundamentals are pretty bad, but I'm working on it, especially since I have to take the SAT in a month. Anyway, I just really wanted to make this entry for my second project that I made. Again, small code, but it's on the list of projects that I want to do as like progressing. I think I have it here somewhere. I mean, I think I showed you guys, or anyone who is watching these videos, that I have like 50 project ideas that's needed to be, like, that can be done as, oh no, that can be done as you learn Python. Let me just find that actually. Yeah, so yeah, I found it on Codex before they asked me for money to keep learning. Yeah, these things. Look, there you go. Dice rolling simulator. It's like the second project written down. I chose it because it looked easy and I had an idea on how to solve or actually make the program. I'm gonna, yeah. So I'm treating these programs like questions, math questions. So if I know how to solve it, I'll just go ahead and solve it. And until I learn the fundamentals on how to do the other projects, I won't really touch them yet. So yeah, the dice rolling simulator. Uh, the VC the VC code, or what is it called? VS? Yeah, the VS code thing that I've been using is okay. It gets a little confusing, and I found that Khan Academy actually has a program area to actually make programs, save them, and publish them. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And I made a smile. I made a no, I made a small program with like only less than 17 lines, let's say. But it works. I think it works. Of course, okay. You know what? Let me just run it down. I've been yapping for too long. So you say run, type ROLL to roll the dice. So I just remembered the little rule that we used to have during family game nights. That when you're playing Monopoly, if the dice rolls off the board, that roll doesn't count. So I thought I'd add that in. So if you say ROLL, well, that's what the program is telling you to do. Type ROLL. You write it. It says your dice fell off. Try again. Type ROLL. I guess it's hinted enough that you have to add spaces between the letters to roll within the playing board. Run the program again. I mean, I don't know how to reset the program yet. Just typing run the program again kind of work. Oh, I learned how to this thing, this backslash n to actually break the sentence down, which I think is pretty cool. I mean, there's other things you can do. I mean, I learned this in the course, but there's other things you can do with this backspace. I'm pretty sure if you're already into coding, you might already know that. I forgot what they're called. I have to look into my notes again. Anyway, so you run the program again as it's asked you to. You say R. Let me write it down correctly this time. Capital O, capital L, and then you press enter. Your dice stayed on the playing board, rolling. You rolled the number 3. So yeah, I made a pretty simple program. It has a. I didn't know that you had to import the random function or the random module to actually be able to do the random function, but I guess you do. I learned this by looking at the other projects that people made in Khan Academy, which is really cool. So yeah, someone had made I think a rock paper scissors one. I didn't exactly want to straight up copy that, so I thought I'd do uh, dices, and I didn't copy anything else besides the fact that you have to import random to actually do this. Everything else that I wrote down here, my own thoughts. Pretty cool. Yeah, I think I'm pretty proud of this. I'm gonna publish this on YouTube. Third video. Anyway, so yeah, let me just go through the code. Dice digits 1 to 6, classic dice. Roll the dice is equal to input, type roll to roll the dice. Dice rolled equal none. So I learned about variables that have nothing in them for later use. So yeah, this was also pretty cool. I mean, I guess if I wrote true here, there's a risk that it ruins the program, which makes sense. I don't know how to explain it, but it does. And if roll the dice equals to roll, the dice rolled is true now. So this variable is changed. Print use your you dice. Ooh. Okay. Oh, oh, caps lock. Your dice stayed. Ooh. Oh, how fun. I found a mistake. Your dice stayed on the playing board, rolling. Else, dice rolled equals false. Print you. Oh my god. Your dice fell off. Try again. Print type. I have to read this now on purpose because it turns out I have spelling mistakes. Type ROLL to roll within the playing board. Backspace and run the program again. I don't know. Is this called backspace? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure. Result equals random from the imported module. I mean, why do you have to import modules if they're already built in the Python program? I don't get it. Like, why do you have to import math if it's already there? Yeah, I haven't gotten an answer to that question yet. I'll literally Google it after the video. Random choice, digit, dice digit. If dice rolled, print F string. F strings are much easier, although I feel like I should do it the old way to be more secure. Anyway, if you rolled the F string, you rolled the number, result variable, blah, 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 and then the program runs. Okay, this has gone for long enough, 7 minutes. Crazy. Goodbye.